In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a comprehensive KPI tracking system in Notion, which is perfect for keeping an eye on your social media performance. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or just someone who loves staying organized, creating a KPI tracker in Notion can help streamline your process and provide insightful data analysis. First things first, let's open Notion. Once you have it open, the initial step is to create a new page. This will serve as the foundation for our KPI tracking system. It's always a good idea to name your page something descriptive, like Social Media KPI Dashboard, so it's easily recognizable. Now that you have your page ready, it's time to add a database table. This database will be the heart of your KPI tracking system, where you will collect and analyze all your data. The next step in our setup involves defining columns for the key metrics you want to track. Consider metrics that are meaningful to you, such as the number of followers, engagement, reach, and any other indicators pertinent to your social media performance. Each of these metrics will become a column in your database table. By laying down these parameters, you'll have a structured approach to monitoring your social media presence. With your columns in place, you can enhance your database by utilizing formulas and rollups. Formulas will allow you to perform calculations directly within your table, making it easier to track totals and averages without needing to switch to another tool. Rollups can consolidate data across related pages, giving you a broader view of your performance metrics over time. By leveraging these tools, you can transform raw data into actionable insights. Now that we've set up our database and defined the key metrics, let's talk about creating custom views. Notion offers a variety of ways to visualize your data through tables and charts. These views can provide visual insights into your social media activities and trends. You might create a simple table view for a straightforward look at your data, or use more sophisticated chart views to display data changes over time or compare different metrics visually. Customizing views to suit your needs will help you quickly identify trends and areas for improvement. Finally, the key to effective KPI tracking is to update your data regularly. Consistent updates will ensure that your database provides an accurate reflection of your current social media performance. Regularly review and input new data to monitor your progress over time, helping you make informed decisions on your social media strategy. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functioning KPI tracking system in Notion that will allow you to stay on top of your social media metrics and performance. I hope this tutorial helps you create an efficient and effective way to monitor and manage your social media KPIs using Notion. Remember, the key to success is not just collecting data, but actively using it to drive your strategies forward. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.